Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sofia Aunul. I am from Universitas Mercubuana, and this opportunity I will talk about data journalism practice in Indonesia. As we know that internet technology has given birth to online media, which is a threat to conventional media, and advances in information technology in the last 2 decades brought a wave major changes to the media industry, the press, and also journalism. And in the digital age, data is not only a complement or just to give the context of the news, but it can also become news itself considering its ubiquity. And this article aims to describe the practice of data journalism in Indonesia. The method I use for this article is a literature review. It's about uh, reviewing the article journals about data journalism practice in Asia from 2018 to 2024. Data journalism is perceived to be a tool for producing better journalism with the help of statistical method, visualization, and interactive means of presenting information, as this one stated in Etamurto in 2011, Zhang and Chen in 2022 stated that data journalism is most often expressed through visualization related themes such as data visualization, web design, and interactive layout. And what about data journalism practice in Asia? My findings are I divide into four themes. The first one is sources, competence. It means that journalist competence or skills, building data journalism in team, and lastly, data visualization. Okay, the first one is sources. From the article ranging from 2018 and 2024, uh, all of the researchers using all forms of media like mainstream media, digital media, and data journalism based media. Okay, news organization and journalists strive to understand, uh, take action, derive values from big data through exploration in the fields of algorithm, computing, and quantification. It means that the main sources of data journalism is big data. And big data are acquired from open access, such as government uh, resources, such as Satu Data Indonesia, Badan Pusat Statistik, and other government official websites. The second source is social media, and the last one is from the crowdsourcing. The second one is competence or skills required uh, from journalists is skills in processing, analyzing, and visualizing the data, as well as the fundamental principles of journalism, which prioritizing facts, truth, and clarity. The challenge is not just the skill for processing quantitative data, but also their skills in presenting information visually using application technology will be a challenge for journalists. And improvement for big data analytics competence in newsroom and research support division. It is a compulsory data journalism intensive training. It means that it's an ongoing process, and it is a dynamic process of journalists how they will increase and also upgrading their skills, not just for uh, processing the data, but also how to visualize data into uh, graphics or pictures. And the third one is building a data journalism team. The role of news organization is crucial in accommodating the implementation of data journalism. And finding from Kusumawati and Mutmainah, they found the adoption of data journalism can be initiated by someone possessing high position, such as editor-in-chief. And uh, it also by Hidayat and Hidayat in 2020, they said manager involvement in newsroom should empower their team of data-driven journalists and research division within media organization. Journalists not only gather information through interviews and from internet, but also can actually contribute significantly to big data gathering for their organization. As I can see that this statement also, I see this one is a challenge for data journalism practice in Indonesia. And lastly, about data visualization. Kusumawati found that newsroom collaborate with graphic team who are familiar with data visualization and creating infographic that it focuses on mixing text and illustration. In this point, we can see that uh, a newsroom, journalists in newsroom need to collaborate. They cannot depend on their newsroom division, but uh, to to visualize data. And Indah and Hasana found that data journalism-based media, such as Tirto.id, employ data as journalistic products by using various data sources, which can be seen in data visualization of infographics. And this distinguishes the journalistic practice in mainstream media. And Hidayat in 2020 stated that journalists to possess comprehension and ability to produce visual quantification as well as implementing qualitative enrichment. And as conclusion, data journalism practice in Indonesia has been developing in media ecosystem with some challenges as the first one, availability of open access from Indonesian government that has some data credibility issues such as less integrated data like raw data and digital divide of internet availability and coverage in some regions. And the second one, journalist competence of data skills from gathering to displaying. The third one, decision of building data journalism team is from top authority. And lastly, data visualization supported by good narrative can boost news values and create audience engagement. I think that's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.